which is a requirement in every domain, and not only in the clinical domain. I would say the people who use SAS, who work with SAS as an analytic tool, they are using macros. Macro is something which helps you to automate your task. So there are a lot of times that you are working with your data. There are some things you do it on a repetitive basis. Now you don't want to write the same code again and again, do those repetitive tasks. That's why we have something called as macros in SAS, and these are very popular. Be it a banking domain, be it a retail sector, be it a finance sector, be it clinical research, everywhere people are working with the macro skills. So this is something that we teach our students, because that is a most important skill that any SAS programmer can have. The other thing is SQL. I believe many of the people, they work with SQL. In SAS also, we have something, we have incorporated this language within SAS environment. So we also talk about these two languages as well, along with our base SAS skills. Now, this is all about part one of fundamentals of programming. Now, once you have, arranged your clinical trial data in a standard format, using this programming skills, using the guidelines that has been laid down by the status, then the next thing that you want to do is you want to create reports for your clinical study data, because that is what you're going to submit now. So to the FDA, you not only submit these raw data sets, the CRF forms, or all those these standard data sets that you create, you also submit the data analysis reports. Right? Now, when I say report, if you people are familiar, I think if you people are learning about pharmacy and if you are learning about biostatistics, then I would say if you are going to work in future as a biostatistician in the industry, then you should be familiar of all these courses that you are seeing here. You should be familiar of this flow, because these are the things that you're going to work with. You will be working with tables, listing, and figures. So you generate, as a programmer, people, they generate reports in the form of a tables. They generate in the form of a graphs also, right? Therefore, in order to do these tasks, we teach them how to generate report. So there is a report writing course. There are some ODS graphics things, which is nothing but, how to create those beautiful graphs. So data visualization techniques is something that is also a very important part when you talk about clinical trial data analysis. The other important thing that we talk about is the statistics. Now, statistics is very, very important. So if in the industry, after doing your pharmacy, sometimes, in the industry, you will notice if you go to Google or any job portal, you would notice there is something called as SDTM programmer. Then there is something called as Adam programmer. So they have now separated the task. There are programmers who only work with this guideline. There are programmers who only work with this guideline. So they have separated them, right? Along with that, so if you are working in terms of as an Adam programmer in the industry, so when I say Adam programmer, they are...
Are you presenting any slide, Kamakshi?
Sorry?
Which slide you are into? Yeah, it is coming. Yes. Please keep changing the slides as and when required. And we have looking the time, if we can just...
just wrapping it up. I'll just give you an overview here. We are just done with this. So I was saying that this is the fundamentals of everything that we talk about, the macro skills, SQL skills, and then you have the report writing skills, because at the end, when you analyze your data now, you have to create those reports in the form of tables, figures, and listings. And then finally, we talk about statistics also. So whatever statistics that you learn in your pharmacy course, it's very important. Those biostatistics is something that you're going to apply here in order to work with your data. So do those analysis and then generate those reports. So we talk about everything here. It's a complete package that we teach. Having said that, the very important thing that you need to understand, if you are going to work in the industry after doing your pharmacy, let's say if many of you are, if you're into masters now, and if you want to pursue your higher studies, especially abroad, let's say in some European countries, or maybe in any US universities, you would notice that they have SAS as a part of their curriculum. These people, they learn SAS in college itself. It's very important for them. And if you know SAS before you're going to any other university, outside India, it will be a added. You'll always get an upper hand over there, and you may get a job also as an intern, or maybe you may get an internship there, or as a part-time analyst also in terms of a SAS programmer. So these are the leverages that a SAS programmer gets. And when you talk about SAS certification, it's very, very important. And nowadays, especially because when we teach students this course, which is clinical trial programming course, we get students who are coming in from the industry actually. So these people are actually the biostatisticians who are working in the industry. Some of them are already working as an SDTM programmer, an ADAM programmer. Still, they are doing a course. Why are they doing a course? Just to get a SAS certification. And you won't believe these people are already in the industry for the past 6 years or 7 years, and still they are taking a course now. They are well versed with the programming, with macros and everything. Why? Because they want to have a SAS certification. Because their company, now the companies, many pharmaceutical companies and many CROs know, and the big CROs I'm talking about, they are actually asking them to get certified from SAS. It's now a requirement for you. So if you people are doing this course and getting certified, it will always give you an upper hand. So these are some digital badge that you get when you get certified. So you have this global certification badge, which is valid across the globe wherever you go. This is a course participation badge that you get, right? So this
Can you
is
change
how
the
this is
slide? I
important.
think. Are you showing the electronic batches? Yes, it is
Yeah,
coming.
this is
Yes,
yes.
yes.
So these are the badges that you get. When you clear the certification, this badge you get when you do our courses, SAS courses. So learning badge you get. And these are global badge. And let me tell you, you can showcase your skills by using these badges on any job portal, on your LinkedIn profile, on your CV, wherever you want to. You just add these badges, and people know, that you have this skill, and moreover, you have acquired this skill from the SAS itself. So always you'll get an upper hand. You'll always it will add to your, more to your career perspective, I believe. So that's it from my end. These are our
Great.
SAS
Thank you.
members. Yeah. So, any questions that you have? Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you so much, Kamakshi, for giving a really nice overview and making people understand that when you talk about programming, it is not actually what they have been hearing it from the BTech friends, fellows, that, the kind of coding or the kind of development work they carry it out. But rather, this is going to be very smart way of doing the coding using this as skills, right? Not only that, I would also just share my screen for a second. I'll take the rights from you now, if you allow
Sure,
me.
sir. Yeah, yeah.
Is my screen visible? Just you might be many one of you is having the questions that what job I would get it, right? What kind of so I'll just put small things here. Is my screen visible?
Yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah, so
visible.
this is Naukri profile, as Kamakshi madam was mentioning, right? And this is Naukri profile, which is, I mean, the website where each one of you, any one of you, anyone from India, they would like to put their profile here and look for a job. So let's put here a simple SAS. What is the market of SAS? Let's say I'm putting not much, fresher, or up to 2 years, 0 to 2 year. I'm just putting location India. Uh, let's see what we have here. Number of job opens for people having 0 to 2 year. Yeah, look at that. It is talking about 10,000 plus jobs, SAS jobs in India. So look, let me tell you, for all of you, the way the industry is looking these skill set people, and these jobs are specifically open to the people who has got the SAS skill. It is not for the people who has probably a different set of skill set. So here your global certification, your skill set is much more valid, and they will give a lot of weightage while having your selection procedure, right? So this is the enormous opportunity. You can have it into the market currently, and you can grab these opportunities. This you can also, any one of you can log into the system and you can see what opportunities are available. This is what something, I wanted to share with all of you. Now I will be happy to take a few questions as the time is almost getting 3 p.m. Any questions from any one of you? We'll appreciate having few questions from the faculties or any one of you, because you have SMEs today here, which will help you. Somebody?
Okay, so they don't have question, either they understood everything or they are not interested.
It look like you have been so good that everyone could able to connect it. That's really good. Even in case if you have questions, you might be having the contact detail of Spire. They will get back to you and help you to reconnect with us in case if you have any questions. Faculty, if you can just come out from the, I mean, if you can unmute yourself, and would you like to add anything from your side? Do you think the session was helpful for all of you, or still there are certain questions which you would like to have it? Okay, Neha, so look like we are good to go. Neha, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. On the behalf of Lokmanya Tilak Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, we are thankful for this wonderful session. Actually, many of the things which is related to SAS clinical programming, some how the opportunity we grab there, everything you clearly explain, sir, and these are really, really helpful for we people as well as our students also. Actually, some focus related to students is also means solved here. Is how to go, what is the importance of this. It's really beneficial to you, our people, students like third year, final year students. Now final year students are passing out now within a 2 to 3 months. They get some idea regarding what is this program, means some opportunity also available in this field. This totally clear, sir, because of you. Thank you so much on the behalf of our management, principal, Registrar ma'am. I'm thankful to all the team of Inspire Technotech. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes, thank you everyone. Thank you, sir, Uday sir, Kamakshi ma'am. We really appreciate the time and effort you have invested here to share your knowledge and your expertise. We are really grateful to you. And on this note, I would like to end this meeting. And thanks for all. Thanks the team of Lokmanya Tilak College of Pharmacy, and again, a very big thank to Kamakshi ma'am and Uday sir. Yes, thank you all of you.
Thank you, Neha.
Yeah.
For students, you can always come back to us by contacting your management or to Spire, and if we can help you out to change your career track and get you into the world of pharmaceutical and IT. Thank you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.